Welcome to another skEYewatch video. Today we'll demonstrate the driver alarms from our skEYEvue Max system. Our AI-powered dash cams act as driving coaches, helping to correct unsafe behaviors and improve safety. Alerts are displayed on the R-Watch screen with accompanying auditory alarms. Let's jump right in and show you the alerts in action.
Rolling stop. Lane departure. Collision warning. Collision warning. Fatigue warning. Please rest now. No driver detected. Unsafe following distance. Phone detected. Smoking detected. Yawning. Please drive carefully. Please fasten seatbelt. Driver distraction.
If you want to improve your fleet safety, contact skEYewatch today. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn for more updates and insights.